Hello. Whenever life gets you down, Mrs. Brown, and things seem hard or tough, and people are stupid, obnoxious or daft, and you feel like you've had quite enough, just remember that you're standing on a planet that's evolving, revolving at 900 miles an hour, that's orbiting at 19 miles a second, so it's reckoned, a sun that is the source of all our power. The sun and you and me and all the stars that we can see are moving at 1,000,000 miles a day in an outer spiral arm at 40,000 miles an hour of a galaxy we call the Milky Way. Our galaxy itself contains 100 billion stars. It's 90,000 light years side to side. It bulges in the middle, 16,000 light years thick, but out by us it's just 3,000 light years wide. We're 30,000 light years from galactic central point. We go round every 200 million years. And our galaxy is only one of millions of billions in this amazing and expanding universe. Just remember you're a tiny little person on a planet in a universe expanding and immense. That life began evolving and dissolving and resolving in the deep primordial oceans by the hydrothermal vent. Our Earth, which had its birth almost 5 billion years ago, from out of an exploding cloud of gas, grew life which is quite new and eventually led to you in 1.5 billion years or less. Deoxyribonucleic acid helps us recreate and randomly mutate from day to day. We left the seas and climbed the trees, and our biologies continue to evolve through DNA. We're 99.8% the same as chimpanzees, whose trees we left 3 million years ago, to wander swapping genes out of Africa, which means we're related to everyone we know. Incestuous. Life is quite strange, life is quite weird, life is really quite odd. Life from a star is far more bizarre than an old bearded man they call God. So gaze at the sky and start asking why you're even here on this ball. 'Cause though life is fraught, the odds are quite short. You're lucky to be here at all. You're standing on a planet which is spinning round a star, which is one of just 1 billion suns. In a theoretic realm, we stand naked at the helm, wondering where the hell it all came from. You've a tiny little blink of life to try and understand what on earth is really going on in biology and chemistry, which made you you and made me me. But don't ask me, I only sung the song. Our universe itself keeps on expanding and expanding in all of the directions it can whiz. As fast as it can go at the speed of light, 12 million miles a minute, and that's the fastest speed there is. So remember when you're feeling very small and insecure, how amazingly unlikely is your birth. And pray that there's intelligent life somewhere up in space, 'cause there's bugger all down here on Earth. See you tomorrow.